Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering OpenAI's launch of Prism, a new collaborative AI workspace built specifically for scientists, Google's global rollout of a more affordable AI Plus subscription plan, and Anthropic's new interactive workplace integrations that let Claude take actions directly inside popular apps. Let's start with OpenAI, which just announced Prism earlier this morning. This is a collaborative AI environment designed specifically for research teams, and it represents a pretty significant shift in how OpenAI is positioning its products. Rather than focusing on the individual chat experience that most of us are familiar with, Prism is built from the ground up for multi-user scientific workflows. The platform combines data analysis capabilities, simulation tools, and model-assisted discovery features all within a single shared workspace. Think of it as a virtual research lab where team members can work together on complex problems while leveraging OpenAI's models throughout their process. The system integrates directly with shared datasets and notebooks, so researchers can collaborate on experiments and analyses in real time. OpenAI is rolling this out initially through early access for research institutions, with a clear focus on science, engineering, and advanced research and development teams. As TechCrunch reporter Russell Brandom put it, Prism marks OpenAI's clearest move yet beyond chatbots into full research platforms. This really does signal a meaningful expansion of what OpenAI wants to be as a company, moving closer to vertical productivity software rather than just providing general-purpose AI assistance. The timing here is notable because we're seeing AI companies increasingly recognize that different professional contexts require purpose-built tools rather than one-size-fits-all solutions. Research teams have very specific needs around reproducibility, collaboration, and working with large datasets, and Prism appears designed to address those directly. Now on to Google, which also made news this morning with the global expansion of its AI Plus subscription plan. This lower-cost tier is now available in all major markets including the United States, and it's clearly designed to accelerate mainstream adoption of Gemini. The AI Plus plan offers broader access to Gemini's capabilities at reduced pricing compared to Google's premium offerings. It's targeted primarily at consumers and small teams who want more than the free tier provides but don't need enterprise-level features. This puts it in direct competition with ChatGPT Plus and similar mid-tier subscriptions from other providers. TechCrunch reporter Sarah Perez observed that Google is clearly competing on price and reach, not just model quality. That's an important strategic distinction. Google has massive distribution advantages through its existing products and services, and by lowering the price barrier to Gemini access, they can potentially onboard users who might otherwise stick with free alternatives or competitors. It's a classic volume play, betting that getting more people using Gemini regularly will pay off in the long run through ecosystem lock-in and data insights. For consumers, this is genuinely good news. More competition at the subscription tier level means better value across the board. When major players compete aggressively on pricing, everyone benefits from either lower costs or more features at existing price points. Moving to Anthropic, which released some compelling new functionality for Claude earlier this week. The company has added interactive app support that allows Claude to integrate directly with popular workplace tools including Slack, Canva, Figma, and Box. This is built on something called the Model Context Protocol, which enables what the industry calls agentic workflows. What does that mean in practical terms? Essentially, Claude can now take actions inside these third-party applications rather than just providing information or suggestions. So instead of Claude telling you how to do something in Figma and then you going to do it yourself, Claude can potentially perform certain tasks directly within these tools on your behalf. As Anthropic stated in their documentation, this release enables Claude to work where teams already do. That's a straightforward but meaningful value proposition. The friction of switching between an AI assistant and your actual work tools adds up over the course of a day, and reducing that friction makes the AI genuinely more useful. This feature is available to paid Claude users, so it's part of Anthropic's premium offering. The company did acknowledge that this capability raises new security and governance considerations, which makes sense. When an AI can take actions in your business tools, organizations need to think carefully about permissions, audit trails, and what happens if something goes wrong. This release reflects the broader movement toward AI agents that don't just advise but actually execute tasks. We're seeing all the major players explore this space in different ways, and Anthropic's approach of building on existing workplace tools that teams already use is a practical way to deliver immediate value while the technology continues to mature. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.